Hi, I'm Liza from Simply SharePoint, and welcome to the Getting Started series. This video series is designed to help you learn the basics of SharePoint quickly and easily. Whether you're new to SharePoint or just need a refresher, each video will walk you through essential features step by step, so you can start using SharePoint with confidence. In this session, we are going to talk about document libraries, what they are, when and how to create them, and get started with the ways to upload and create documents in your library. So what is a document library? A document library in SharePoint is a specialized collection within the site where users can create, collect, and manage various types of files in a centralized location. These libraries allow teams to store documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and other forms of digital content in an organized manner. Each document library can be customized with unique metadata, version control, permissions, and workflows, facilitating seamless collaboration and ensuring that the right people have access to the right information. Your SharePoint site comes with a default document library. However, you might want to create additional libraries in your SharePoint site. So when would you create one? Creating a new document library is advisable in several scenarios. Firstly, for project-related organization. If your team is working on a specific project that requires dedicated document storage, a new library ensures all related files are stored in one place. For departmental segmentation, different departments or functions within the organization can benefit from separate libraries to streamline access and management of documents that are relevant to them. For security and permissions, when certain documents need to be restricted to specific users or groups, creating a new library allows for customized permission settings. For document management lifecycle, libraries can be set up to manage the lifecycle of document from creation to archiving, ensuring compliance and proper records management. And for collaboration needs, teams collaborating frequently on documents can use a dedicated library to facilitate version control, editing, and sharing of documents. Now let's dive in and create a new document library. Now we're going to create a new document library within a site. So here you can see I have a marketing department team site, and from the new button on the homepage of that site, I can now create a new document library. I'm going to select a blank library. I'm going to call this marketing documents, and then select create. I now have a new document library to work with within the site. Once you have established your new document library, the next step is to create folders that will help organize your documents efficiently. It is essential to create a folder structure that is logical and straightforward, ensuring that it never extends more than 2 levels deep. This practice helps maintain an easy-to-navigate system, preventing confusion and inefficiency. When setting up folders, consider using a functional classification scheme. This means organizing folders based on the functions they serve or the topics they cover within different departments or projects. For example, within a marketing department's document library, you might have top levels such as campaigns and market research, with subfolders under campaigns named Quarter 1 campaign and Quarter 2 campaign. This approach ensures that every folder has a clear purpose and aids in the retrieval of documents. Remember, the goal is not just to create folders, but to implement a structure that enhances the usability and efficiency of your document library. Now we are going to create a folder structure within your new document library. I'm now going to create some folders within this marketing documents library to help organize the content by topic. So the first folder I'm going to create is for the advertising area. So I'm going to select new folder. I'm going to call it advertising. Another folder for content creation. Another folder for brand management. And another one for event management. We now have some folders to begin working with. Next, we're going to upload some files into the document library. There are 3 ways you can add files to a document library. First, you can upload an individual file into the library. You can also upload multiple files into a library. You can also drag and drop files, and you can create new files directly within SharePoint. Now let's start by uploading a single file into your document library. There are several ways that you can add documents to your library. First is uploading them, and another way is to create them directly within SharePoint. So I'm going to start by uploading some documents into this event management folder. I'm going to select Upload, Files, and I'm going to add a few documents here. And the documents are uploaded into the library. I'm now going to create a document directly within this folder. I'm going to select New, and it's going to be a Word document. Once Word loads, you can make your changes. This is going to be an article template for blog posts. I'm going to rename it up here, article template. You can see that it's automatically saving. When I'm finished with this document, I just need to close the tab. And when we go back to the document library here, you'll see that that document is there, article template, ready to be used. So you can upload documents directly into the library, or you can create them within the document library. We have now learned how to create a document library, when you would need to create a new one, how to create folders for some structure, and to upload and create documents directly in a SharePoint site. For more videos on the Simply SharePoint Getting Started series, visit the blog at simplysharepoint.com and the Simply SharePoint YouTube channel. Thank you.